naturally
I got you.
catch it. Because I've never seen that. I'd like to see it. Will you?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I've seen it done in incubators and stuff,
Yeah.
which is, yeah.
That's what I did, and it's creepy.
Yeah. But,
Okay.
and so we'll have constantly have the next litter of eggs. Litter of chickens. And then eggs. So I gotta get the pipe cutter, and this is coming out of here.
Well, I was wondering about that. Like, do we want to try to, like,
No.
rethink that whole thing?
Well, we're gonna rethink it. That's what we're gonna do. So for now, this will be off, and I'll cut here in case I'm gonna do something with it. But
Okay.
this one needs, well, I kind of want to put a, yeah, I want to put a way to get it out of
Okay,
here.
so is your Luan going over both of these?
I don't think so.
What are you thinking?
Because also,
We
then,
kind of do need to do that.
yes, we do, because,
All right.
I mean, rats can just chew up between this like they did over there.
Well, then we'll put Luan on one side and,
Well, I mean, if they're coming
Yeah,
in
we're
here,
gonna
the
put-
Luan's not gonna slow them down.
What?
Luan won't. The rats will chew right through that stuff.
I know, but then also I want to put that rubber coating.
Oh my goodness.
well, she got the what do you call it?
I got a
sealed.
sheet of vinyl,
That's what they had before, and they ate it.
That's
You
what.
know that it was
Yeah.
it's toxic for them.
and they said it's
chickens?
toxic. It's toxic for the chickens, and then you eat their eggs, and it's toxic for you.
So we've been eating toxic
Vinyl.
eggs, I guess.
Yeah, the
So-
linoleum is not toxic,
What did we get?
and so there's a.
Linoleum? Now what's up there?
But linoleum is a different composition than vinyl.
Right.
So, but they call linoleum, like we call Kleenex, all tissues Kleenex.
Yeah.
So, and it's like, what I got's not linoleum, it's vinyl. So I'm just gonna take that back. But I did read that rubber roof coat is really good. And that's what I put on the top of that, and I still have another whole jug of it.
Oh, nice.
Already got it. So
I mean, I'm a
we're
little
gonna
worried
clean it.
about keeping moisture in. The nice thing is this thing breathes so well.
Yeah, it breathes well, so we're not gonna close that in. And all this, so it's gonna breathe really well.
And we talked about putting the,
the roof right here.
yeah, the roof, instead of having all this open.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a ceiling, it'll be,
What?
well, I just thought about. I
For
just
storage,
thought-
you wanna
I-
put hay up here?
Well, I thought about her, I used her brain just now. And so we actually put a roof here, ceiling here, and it could be, storage.
Yeah, but out here with the rat problem, do we want storage out here?
I don't think we're gonna have rats, because this place is gonna be saturated with vinegar
We're gonna-
all the
All
time,
the time,
and they won't
and
come.
it repels rats.
She did the work,
How's it gonna be saturated in there?
just spray it.
Spray it.
She
I
got
got a
she actually
spray
got a
jug.
pump spray just for that, it's gonna be full of vinegar, because chickens can't smell. And it's apple cider vinegar.
Yeah, no, white
No,
vinegar.
white vinegar.
White vinegar.
Apple cider
But
vinegar
apple
goes in the
cider
water.
vinegar you put in
Apple.
their water.
Their apple water?
Huh?
Their apple cider water?
Apple cider.
Apple.
Apple cider is good for them, so
Yeah.
good for their digestion.
All right, so I think we have a plan, and now it's just a bunch of little puzzle pieces, put it all together. We're waiting for this to dry. As soon as it's dry, we'll put the Luan down.
How the heck you clean it so much? Like that stupid thing, I mean, that's way too much pressure for in here. It's just circling the
Yeah, I
goop
just
in
sprayed
there.
it. I didn't care. I got soaking wet head to toe.
He was just a mess.
And then I
from head
stepped
to toe.
outside and walked into a rat trap.
Stuck his thumb in a trap.
So- Might have been the fact that I was wet. I don't know. But anyway,
Or
all right, I'll start typing, and you, what do you want to start with? Headers, these are 2x4s. How many do you think we need across there?
it depends on.
Should we put wood on the bottom of it
62.
instead of on the top of it? Or just put it on there and then put the headers on the top of it and tack it to it?
Okay, well, I'm
She don't
done
want-
I
inspecting.
know you don't care. Concrete scheduled for Wednesday.
Really?
And there was much rejoicing.
Let it be so.
Happy birthday to. See, I put happy birthday to me, and
Yes.
and the next thing she put dumpster king, and then concrete.
Dumpster game.
Because I took a picture of that picture that I took next to the dumpster.
Oh.
Because I'm so thrilled to have a dumpster in my yard. Because I am.
I was gonna say, that sounds like true, actually. So, why are we cutting the chicken nipples out? That's my confusion.
Because I have chicken cups.
Which, only the outside is different, right?
Okay, now look. I've been doing my due diligence finally on all this. So, in here, there's going to be some chicken nipples fed by this. Some chicken nipples. I don't know why I need that if the water coming in is pressured.
Well, that is so, it's not full pressure through the chicken nipples,
Yeah.
right? Don't you
But
feel
the
that? And then
chicken-
the weight
but the-
of that is
Yeah,
enough.
but the chicken nipples,
And
that's
the
what they do. They have you peck at it, so you don't turn it all the way on, I suppose.
Well, I had asked you about that, and I was like, I don't understand why you need that. The
I
sister.
didn't know why. I don't know why I needed that. So I'll bring up the thing and we'll cut it right out of
Well, the only thing I can think of is it's too much pressure coming from the curb.
there. I think that's probably what I thought, but I don't think that's true. All right, so good. Now,
Because that means we can cut it
what did
here.
you just ask me about? Yeah.
We can get
We'll
that
cut
whole
it,
freaking
whole
frick out.
frickin' thing out of there. Okay. And we can get this.
Is there water
Get this
in it?
rig on it. No. No. We'll just. But I need it. I don't have a tool to cut it, and I don't want to just break it. So. Oh, what were we talking about?
Well, this out.
No, we were talking about something.
I was giving you the
I
measurements.
said,
You're-
no, here's my thinking on it. I said, is it before chicken nipples, or was it just like saying chicken nipples? Yeah, chicken cups now. And I'm told that they're much better because they don't drip all over the ground. And for here, I'm going to put some sort of tray underneath it, so if it drips into it, it doesn't. So, but that has to not be under one of the roofs.
Poopers.
Sorry, poop in it. So, all right.
Mm-hmm.
So bring the cutters down, pipe cutters, and cut all that crap out of there. Boy, that's a relief, huh? Look at that. Huh. All right. So,
I don't know that. I don't know if I'm relieved.
okay,
Or
let's
not.
see what she put. That's so intense. Wow, she's intense today. Okay. She yelled at me for,
Sticks in your mouth.
yeah, let's step outside.
I'm like getting
Alright.
high off of chicken poops.
Yeah, that's what you do.
My brain's starting to go.
Hey! Alright. You got those other doors open? I don't have a screwdriver. Alright, I need to remember a whole list of things to do now. I'll bring a screw gun down.
Why?
We can just break it out. Oh, you have it. Alright, well, we'll bring the screw gun down anyway. Alright, what else I need?
There's so much talk down about that phone.
Alright. So,
A little like, what?
let's do the measuring. I was giving you a minute to get some fresh air. We'll do the measuring, and I'm gonna do, roosts. Then we'll do roof. No, ceiling.
overhead cam.
All right, we got a, it looks like that's dusty now. It's dirt, which is fine. Oh, it is, it's dry. Nice. Well,
So,
that's a little wet in the corner.
yeah, let me show you that. With the air circulation on the bottom, that should be a problem. Should dry
Nope, should be
one or
fine.
the other.
It's a little wet over there maybe, but other than that, we're in good.
Yeah, the puddles build up in the corners anyway when I was spraying.
Yeah,
So,
I think we're good, right? With the floor down, what do you think?
yeah.
Okay.
Did I bring down the measuring tape?
I had a measuring tape down here before. Yeah. All right, and all right, I'll set up this.
Seven foot 6.5. 5 foot 1.5. This in here is the area that we're going to be working on. As you can see, or maybe not see. Yeah, I guess you can see. Right here, there's a hole in the floor. There's a knot hole right here where the rats came through first. And then the rest of this just kind of rotted out. So we're just going to put some thin plywood and paneling over top of it. Because birds don't weigh that much anyway. We can worry about replacing it some other time. But with the rubber paint on here, shouldn't have any problem with moisture because the air will be moving through here continuously. Underneath because it's a crawl space. So underneath the air is moving and it should keep it dry underneath here. But we'll see.
put it this way, then it's not gonna lift.